Here's our camper van, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Plants along the way, mga ganyan. Anong lugar to? Camp Bridge? Yeah. Hello, how cute. Pwede lapitan? Ganyan. Sige, pwede manawakan. Hello! Hi! Oh, cute mo! Ay! Me! Ay, ano ba sila? Ang ganda dyan. And light. Search kere sa loob. Stop over after 4 hours sa road. Dito kami magla-lunch.
Mga kababayan.
Cute!
Tita, ano. Ay.
Malamig! Yeah! Ang cute nito, oh.
Ano, sabi ba mga nurses? Wala, ayun. Yung stop ka lang.
Oo, ganyan. Parang yung mga spontaneous plans along the way, mga ganyan. Namumula yung ilong mo.
Oh,
Tisa yun!
Tisa yun!
Hindi pala, ano lang pala. Kinurot-kurot mo yan, no? So guys, nasa cruise na tayo. Sa cruise.
Saan na tayo?
Saan tayo?
Siguro sa 8. Ocean View Eatery, Choco Lounge.
First cruise, wow. We're now in the food court. Oh.
Kasi may...
Wala. Hindi mo usually sa mga ganitong lugar.
Everything was fixed. Okay.
We're now going back to the car.
Tsaka buti, malapit lang yung car natin.
Kaya nga, oo. Welcome to the South Island! Ito yung car namin, Char. Ay. Ay. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming motel. We're staying here sa High Street Living Motel. Kasi anong oras na? It's already midnight. So, magpapahinga na kami. And then, tomorrow, it's another day. So cute. Huh? Cutie. Living room. First room. Second room. Yeah. Okay guys, so we'll see you again tomorrow. Gabi talaga ang chef, oh.
Hoy!
Kabot. Good morning.
Good morning, South Island! Char!
Hanggang dito talaga.
O ikaw, ano ka lang? Ito talaga yung pangarap ko, yung magpe-prepare ng para sa buong pamilya.
Talaga.
Housewife na housewife, ganun.
Cute.
Eh, hindi na yan torta. Hindi na siya shape. Naman.
Breakfast.
Kaya yan, niluto naman na.
Oo. Ito na nagtuloy ng niluluto ng sister ko kasi hindi get ready na siya. Okay na to. Parang uso yung ganitong lutuan dito. After 4 hours, guys, nandito na tayo to pick up our camper van.
So I haven't checked my phone.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, so we created like a check it, and I'll take a few photos.
Okay, sure.
Here's our camper van, guys.
It's separated with an organizer's bag, so we were just
chuck it in
planning
there.
to chuck it in there.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
sure.
Just
Like a full tank at the moment. So.
Whoa! Whoa!
Sorted. I'll show you, pour a bit of that in, and that just helps with disinfecting. Inside this bag are like little ramp blocks, so if you're really on unstable ground, you can straighten it up. I've hardly ever used them, but
Oh my God. Guys.
parang may antas yung sa ano ko.
Nandito na kami sa...
Adjustment siya.
Ano to? Lake?
Lake Pukaki.
Lake Pukaki. Hindi pa siya makita. Ang ganda. Bukas na lang. Pero yung stars kasi, oh. Oh, ang ganda.
Yung sa pa-welcome kanina na enjoy the stars.
Ah, nakalagay? Hala.
Wala, ang dami talaga.
Yeah. Oh my God. Excited na ako makita yung bukas. Pasok ako. Good morning, guys! It's our very first full day of living here in our camper van. So, nandito kami sa Lake Pukaki. And guys, super ganda. Oh. Bugs! Ang ganda. Nakikita nyo ba yun? So, zoom natin. Guys, speechless. Thank you, Lord, for this amazing view. This is our camper van. Si La Cucaracha. Yan yung name niya. So, kanina gumising na kami ng super early kasi sabi sa forecast, 7:10 daw yung sunrise. Tapos doon namin inabangan yung sunrise. Nandito pala sa kabila. So, ayan. The sun is rising. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And the temperature ngayon, guys, is 2 degrees. Kasi namumula yung kamay ko. Grabe ganda. Guys, pag summer, dami daw naliligo dito. Pwede maligo dyan. Pero hindi siya sand. Bato-bato. Pero yung ganitong kalamig, hindi ko kaya maligo dyan. Okay na kung hindi maligo. Mag-wet wipes lang ako. May pine cone, no? Look, ang cute.
Hindi tayo na inaabangan. Okay lang yung lakas.
Wala, hindi tayo makamigo.
Anyway, yung guy is dito lang sa Tekapo. Hindi pa galing dun sa Christchurch.
Akala ko galing doon.
Eh, pero yun na inassume ko kasi hindi ka man nagsabi kung saan.
Hello. We're in Lake Tekapo. Nice.
Our tourist guide. Our tourist guide here in New Zealand. Dito yun, di ba? Yung pang violet. Dito ba? O doon?
Hindi, parang sa batuhan sila tumutubo.
Doon?
Nakikita ako, oo. Kasi pag sa picture, may isa bato. Makikita mo yung bato-bato. So, I think dyan. Yan. I don't know.
Ang galing, no?
Oo.
We're going to Tasman Glacier. Set up natin yung table. It's our second day living in a camper van here in New Zealand. Look the view. Ay, medyo lumiwanag na. Hindi na makulimlim. Ayan.
Hindi din tayo makaka-corn beef ngayon kasi wala tayong sibuyas. So,
Okay lang. Grabe yung kapatid ko, guys. Nagpa-prepare siya ng ganyan, no? Wala, hindi ko na videohan yung iba, pero may mga bopis pa yan. Meron pa pastil. Ngayon, lumpia. Oh, ready! Meron pa kami rice with totong.
parang ito na yon.
Ito na talaga yun.
Feel ko na ito na talaga yon. Tonight will be the night.
Pero yung sa tubig.
Good morning, guys. Look at this view. Oh my God. So we're now here at White Horse Campsite. This is our second campsite. So yesterday we woke up to a very, very beautiful lake view and now a snow-capped mountain view. Grabe. Maaga kami nakatulog last night kasi we're planning na maaga sana kami umalis ngayon. Kaso lang, we decided na tumambay na lang muna dito kasi there's no other beautiful campsites along the way like this. So, sulitin na namin. And then dito merong fee na $20 per person. Sobrang lamig kasi hindi na kinaya na ng heater ng camper van namin yung lamig. Ang plano kasi namin, magbe-breakfast kami at magkakape dyan sa labas. Sinetap na namin kahapon tong roof namin. Tapos meron kami camping chairs dyan. Tapos magdo-drone. Tapos yan yung view. Hindi na namin na-achieve kasi sobrang lamig. Ngayon lang din ako nakalabas as a sobrang lamigin person. At hindi gumagana yung heater ng camper van. Sobrang balot na balot ako. Anyway, let's go back inside kasi nagluluto na breakfast. Mga chef namin. Kailan mo? Magsain na. And then, grabe yung sister ko mag-prepare ng food. Kaya,
Healthy dapat.
yan, may soup, may kanin.
Ay, nakakyat na.
It's our breakfast.
It has 20 acres of beautiful lavender of plants, lots of beautiful flowers, as well as herbs, fruits, and vegetables.
Here's my outfit for today. Look at this view! Books! Phone!
Madami eh. Ang marami. Lamig naman ito.
Guys, welcome sa Burnham Park.
No, Switzerland.
Switzerland. So, after ilang hours tayo 2.5 hours from dun sa second campsite natin. We already reached Wanaka. Dito hindi na masyadong malamig. Sakto lang.
Ayun siya. Go.
Kaya nga eh. Okay guys, so we're going to the supermarket. Excited ako. Laging yun yung nilalook forward kapag ka nagta-travel. Hindi tayo na mga lulutuin and kakainin natin for tonight. Kasi hindi tayo magka-campsite dahil wala masyadong campsite dito sa Wanaka. It's better to cook there. At least, diba? So we're planning to cook steak. Wow! It's our first steak here in New Zealand. So, yan. Let's go! Guys, look oh! Yan mo yung view. Mag-grocery ka. Tapos, ganyan yung view mo kapag grocery. Grabe naman. Sana all. Pinapil kasi kaya akala ko tinapay. Ay guys, hindi ko mapakita yung itsura. Medyo madami yung tao. Oh my God, nakakamiss. Ooh, steak! So those are the beef na nakikita natin sa farm. Sa lahat ng dinaanan natin. We're now lining up. Yeah. We got the goods. Reception.
Outside number 34. You have the dump station right here. Wi-Fi password is Manu here. Other facilities are here, toilets and shower, laundry, it's coin operated, $6 each load. So if you need any coins, you can come here before 8. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Since nung nag-camper van kami, hindi kami nakakaligo syempre na maayos. Kasi, although may CR kami, syempre hindi pa rin maayos yung ligo mo. And now, we're finally, makakaligo na sa maayos sa CR. So, we're now walking to the shower room. Yung lamig dito, sakto lang. Lamig Japan lang. Parang excited ako malik. Kaya na. Yeah, kiwi. That's 3-in-1. Hair, body, and ano na daw. Yeah. Guys, this is the shower. Oh my God. Oh, may pailaw. Oh. And may ganyan. And may blower. Okay, go tayo. Wow, fresh and clean. Diba? Oh, perfect. This is perfect. Parang mga 7:30 na ata. 8.
Gutom yan.
Ano ka na? Hungry ka na?
Bango na. Ha?
Bango na?
Feel free to pet them on their neck, chest, or shoulders here.
那因为他坐着，我们就人。
Yun, hindi ko lang makita. Oh my God, ang sarap ito.
So, yun yung namimiss ka dun sa ano, sa Germany.
Bam 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 bam.